Hello, welcome to Someka. Today I will explain our restaurant financial model Excel template. So basically this template consists of three main sections: sales and pricing assumption, fixed and startup cost, and the reporting part. Now we will dive into each of them, but before that, as you can see, the dashboard has the settings part like this. Here you can input your menu items. We have input some dummy menu items, but you can input your product which you plan to sell in your restaurant or cafe. For example, when you write here new product, you can see your menu items in the assumption section. And go back to the settings, and here as you can see, sales channels are your delivery rates. We placed 3 channels as an example: sit down, takeaway, and online order. According to these sales channels, you can define different pricing strategies for product. For example, when your customers prefer takeaway service, you can sell it at a lower price. So as a result, these options will provide flexibility to your restaurant. You can add or remove other sales channels. And in this part, you can change these options also. For example, projection years allow you to predict monthly coffee budget from 1 to 5 years. But it depends on your requirements about the feasibility period. So if you want to change it, all other reports will be updated. And here you can put your starting date of your restaurant. Report outputs will start with the selected date. And your currency will be shown on your financial reports. And lastly, you can show or hide the instructions. You can hide it also. Now that's all about the settings part. Now let's check 3 main sections of the restaurant financial model. So first of all, in the assumption section, you can input your sales projections, prices, and the unit cost. Firstly, you will select your menu items. And as you can see, its group will be appearing here automatically. And select your sales channel from here and write their unit price for sellouts, unit cost, and the sales volume for weekly. And this section is important because your revenue projections is calculated according to your sales volume. And here you can select your sales increase for monthly, quarterly, or yearly, and you can select your price increase also yearly, weekly, or monthly here. And this table, as you can see, we will calculate it with a simple multiplication of units and prices, and it provides sales revenue and total cost of the goods sold results. But you need to remember that white area is just for manual input. So the gray cells has some automatic calculations, and we don't recommend you to change it manually. And also you can expand the area with this button. Now let's go back to dashboard and let's make some assumptions for our fixed cost and the startup cost. And these 2 sections are the main concern of your restaurant. So understanding these costs will prevent any financial risk at the beginning. And at this section, you will input your salaries and other fixed cost assumptions. And for example, here you can start paying some of your labor salaries later. Afterwards, you can see the effects of the salaries on the break-even analysis. And in the second table, you will input your other monthly expenses like rent, electricity, gas, cleaning agency, and like that. And it can be hard to accurately predict this cost. However, once you analyze these outputs, you will be able to make more accurate assumptions about your revenue. But keep in mind that salaries and the fixed cost may increase by time. So keep an eye on restaurant financial plan output reports to help you to decide on these increases. So let's go back our startup cost. And this section also essential for output results. So it requires careful planning and estimations. Therefore, calculate your startup cost and input here. Later on, it will appear on the break-even analysis. Now we can start to analyze our report outputs. Now our first report is financial statements. So the template provides monthly statements that flow into annual summaries easily. Basically, 3 statements will appear in here: income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow statement. And here, most of the variables come from the result of your assumptions. Every gray cell is automatically calculated by values, so only place you should type manually is the white cells. Click here and input your values. Now about break-even analysis. It's one of the effective ways to lower your budget and capital risk. And this section will help you to make your analysis with various price and sales volume scenarios, yearly, quarterly, or monthly. And after that, you can manage your budget assumptions in order to get to the positive side of the break-even. And for other reports, you can see your profits EBITDA report. For example, you can see your profits according to each product, and also you can display the timeline as years or monthly. And here, sales breakdown will show you sales units for each product also. And in the revenue details, again, you will see all the revenue total for each product. And here from this drop down, you can select your year, and also you can select multiple year for your revenue details report. And gross profits calculate the margin by subtracting your cost of goods sold from your revenues. And again, you can select your year from this drop-down by selecting multiple items, or you can select your months. And as a result, you will see your gross profit margin in here. And you can see your visualized gross profit in here for your sales and cost of goods sold. And finally, salaries report. You will see your total amount of money that you pay your employees. And again, you can select your years from this drop down, and you can see your total amount. Again, there is a visualized data for your salary report. Finally, data sort section consolidates all the data and inputs of your restaurant financial plan. So don't make any manual changes in this section. However, if you are comfortable enough to modify this file structure, you can edit this section to create much more customized reports with your data. And that's all. By using this ready-to-use Excel template, you will start to input your projections and see possible results of them. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out other templates from Someka website. Thank you.